Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see about iOS 16.2 release candidate version, which is the final beta that Apple released a couple of days ago. This is going to be the exact version that we all are going to get next week. I'm expecting maybe by Monday or Tuesday, Apple may roll out this to all compatible iPhone models. This update comes with plenty of bug fixes and stability improvements, along with a couple of new features. We already published a video about freeform application that is coming in iOS 16.2. I leave a link to the video in the description and in the first comments. It is definitely one of the beautiful brainstorming, sketching and drawing application that Apple is going to bring to your iPhone via iOS 16.2. Along with that, we are going to get Apple Music Sing. It is a surprising feature that Apple announced yesterday and made it available with this beta. Also, advanced protection for iCloud is also available. Here, the Apple Music Sing feature is right now available with selected songs. If you are trying with some songs and if it is not available, then do check the library, the top charts songs, and there is a high chance that these Karaoke feature or the Apple Sing feature may be available for the top charts. Apple may be adding more songs with this Apple Sing feature, and you can see the microphone icon at the right bottom corner to enable this Apple Sing Karaoke feature. And whether you are traveling alone in your car or with your family or friends, now you can sing together without using any third-party app. Right from your Apple Music application, when you tap on that lyrics option, you will see this karaoke feature. Simply tap and adjust the volume of the vocal of that particular song so that you can decide how much background music that you want to hear and how much vocal sound that you want to hear for the specific song. Initially, I felt it is kind of buggy, but after trying a couple of songs, it kind of felt it is okay. Do share your thoughts about this Apple Sing feature, whether it will be useful to you or not. The next feature is advanced data protection for iCloud account. Previously, only the iCloud backup was end-to-end encrypted, and right now Apple added bunch of applications, the stock iOS applications, to its list. We now have a separate toggle under the iCloud section, which is the advanced data protection. It is not yet available in all the countries. Right now, it is available in US. After the official rollout, Apple may be adding more countries to its list. And as you can see, along with the iPhone device backup, all these applications will also be end-to-end encrypted so that it will be more secure than before, and you can access these datas once it's backed up to the iCloud to your account with your password and only trusted devices that you have added. So it is not going to be possible by anyone to access any of these data without the trusted device that is logged in with your Apple ID and password. Even if iCloud get hacked, all the data that is backed up to your iCloud account will still be safe as it is encrypted and stored in your account, is what this end-to-end encryption is all about. We'll bring another episode if, after the official release of this advanced data protection, if it is required. Apart from these two feature highlights, I did notice some bugs like the music player on the lock screen was overlapping with the background image and some bugs here and there, but overall it feels much stable compared to the previous iOS 16.1 series of updates. Especially the little bit stutter and lags that I noticed while minimizing the application by swiping to the middle of the screen, that problem is not there in the iOS 16.2, and it feels a lot smooth than the previous iOS 16 updates. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.